Hey everyone, so just a quick video on how to wipe multiple iPads on the same computer at the same time. So I used to set up a bunch of computers like these guys, just one-to-one with iPads, put the iPads in DFU mode, iTunes would pop up, or the Finder window as it is now. It would ask if I wanted to wipe, I'd say yes. And that worked fine, but it's just one-to-one situation as these are. But someone gave me a great tip, which is this program, Apple Configurator 2, which I'd previously used to wipe activation locked T2 MacBooks, but it never occurred to me you could use it to wipe iPads, multiple iPads. So I've got two cables connected to it. And so the first step is you put the iPad in DFU mode. All right, so I put the first iPad in DFU mode, and you can see the DFU icon there representing the iPad. A really cool thing about Apple Configurator 2 is the second the iPad goes into DFU mode, you see this icon. So there's no standing there waiting, wondering, is it in DFU mode yet or not? So there it is. If you need to know how to figure out DFU mode, there are a million videos on that. I'm not gonna show that here. Okay, so I put the second iPad in DFU mode, and as you can see here, there are now two icons representing the two iPads. So now what I will do is you have to select them. So I'll hold Shift and then click on the second one. Once they're both selected, go up to the Action menu, and you see, Restore, Update, all these options. I'll just choose Restore, and I will choose Restore. And that's it. It's now going through the same process that iTunes would, except instead of restoring one iPad, it's restoring two at exactly the same time. Now, I haven't tried this with any more than two, but in theory, you could connect like a, 6 or 8 port USB hub, and it would do them all at the same time. I'm guessing the more you add, the slower it gets, but who knows? Maybe it could do 5 or 10 before it really slowed the process down. So anyway, this is revolutionizing my iPad wiping situation and completely removing the bottleneck of wiping as something that slows me down. And what it leaves is charging. You have to just charge piles and piles, and that takes quite a while. So charging remains the biggest bottleneck. But as far as wiping, this is a beautiful solution that takes care of it. So if you're like me and you get hundreds of iPads that need to be wiped before you can sell them off, just for data security reasons, that kind of thing, check out this solution. This is really an improvement. Apple Configurator 2, it's free on the App Store. No, I don't work for Apple, but really great little utility. So anyway, talk to you later.